Hi friends, Radhika Ravikumar here. So in this tutorial, we'll see what are stored procedure in PL SQL. So stored procedures are the reusable PL SQL program which may or may not return a value. So it's not like functions. Function is like it's mandatory that it should return a value, whereas stored procedure may or may not return a value. Okay, and it's reusable. So these are the points to be remembered when we are using you know the stored procedure. So it's a reusable PLSQL program, and the stored procedure will always have a name. Okay, then it'll the compiled code is always stored in the database. Whenever we execute this stored procedure, it get compiled, and that is stored in the database. Okay, and that code is called as we can say it's p code, or else can that is p code in the sense it's a pseudo code, or else m code is machine code. So the executed program, the compiled program, will be stored in the database, and that compiled program is called as p code, or else you can say m code, that is pseudo code or the machine code. So this is what is about stored procedure. Then coming to the parameters that our stored procedure will take, the parameters are one is in, other one is out, and another one is in out. Okay, sorry, in out. So in out is nothing but first of all, in is nothing but a default type of parameter. Okay, and this in is the one which carries the value from the user into the stored procedure. That is, in will always take the value from the user, that is the keyboard, or from the keyboard, that is from the user, and that is taken to the stored procedure. And the in can never be modified, cannot be modified into in the stored procedure, and they can only be read, that is read only. Okay, this in is only read only, and this is what is about in. And coming to the out, this one will carry the value from the stored procedure to the the calling program. Okay, and this can be modified inside the out, can be modified inside the stored procedure. And another point is that we can have multiple out parameters, multiple out parameters is allowed. Okay, and finally the in out is nothing but is a combination of in and out. So this can be used whenever you are like the value is carried inside the stored procedure, as well as it is returning the value to the same parameter. At that time you can use this in out, and in out should have the same data type, because you are going to make the value, we are going to get the value from the user, send it to the stored procedure, then stored procedure will do all the processing, and then it is again given back to the given back as an output. So it should have the same value, because it's passed and return. So this is what is about in out and in out. So these are the things that need to be known before using the stored procedure. So next in the next tutorial, what we'll do is we'll just write a small stored procedure program, and we'll see how we can execute the stored procedure and how we can make it reusable, so hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. If there are any queries, then please do mail me to plsql.informatica@gmail.com, and thank you very much for watching.